Good morning, class 7, practical geometry. In this chapter, you have to learn some construction. These are the construction you have to learn. First is how will you draw parallel lines to a given line, and second is construction of triangle. How will you form, how will you construct, how will you draw a triangle? There are three situations under which you can draw the triangle. If all the three sides are given, if one side and two angles are given, and if two sides and included angle are given. These are the three situations in which you can draw a triangle. First you see how will you draw a parallel line to a given line. I am not using the geometrical box, but you try to see, and when I get time, I will explain you with that geometrical box. Now you see parallel line. Suppose this is the line given, AB, and you have to draw parallel lines to AB, here or this side. Parallel lines, that means parallel lines, those lines which never intersect, which never meet, if we extend to infinite. And therefore, parallel lines, I have already explained. But here I am reminding you, example, बहुत सारे example हैं अपने पास, the edges of the table, the edges of books and notebooks. These are examples of parallel lines. Rod of windows, railway track. So parallel lines mean those lines which never intersect. If you extend to infinity. Now you see the method. So AB is a line given. You have to draw parallel line to AB. You make any acute angle. Suppose this one. Angle XAB. कितना डिग्री हो? Less than 90 degrees. And from X we draw angle of A. इस पॉइंट पे यहाँ से खींच रहे हैं. तो यहाँ से एंगल के इक्वल एंगल यहाँ बनाते हैं. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं? देखिए, you draw an arc of any measurement, and now don't change. You draw another same arc from this point. From this point you have to draw that. Now you measure this. Now equally cut from this arc, and if you join, so this will be parallel to this. आप नीचे भी बना सकते हैं. Suppose this is the line AB. You make angle here, acute angle, and equal to angle B. You make an angle, equal angle here. You cut it. Now you cut this off, and if you join, so this will be parallel. So this is the method to construct a parallel line. You will use pair of compass, and very simple. But sir, how can you say these are parallel? देखिएगा too. I suppose you have learned, must have learned, when two parallel lines are cut by transversal, alternate angles are equal. We have made equal angles. These are alternate angles, and therefore the lines are parallel. This is a method to construct a parallel line through a given line. You will try to see. Now you see how will you draw a triangle if three sides are given. मान लेते हैं यहाँ मेजरमेंट ले लेते हैं 5 cm, 4 cm and 3 cm. Suppose ये कुछ भी हो सकता है. You draw a line segment of 5 cm or 4 cm or 3 cm. From here you draw an arc of 4 cm or 3 cm. यहाँ से ये. And from B you draw another arc. These two arcs will cut at point C. Suppose you join, this will be triangle. This is 4 cm, whatever you have taken. It is not necessary you can take 5 here. Any side you can take, and for other 2 sides you will draw 2 arcs from the end of the points, and these 2 arcs will cut, and therefore you join CA and CB. ABC is the triangle. So this is the method to draw a triangle if 3 sides are given. Now I tell you, 1 side and 2 angles are given. तब इसको कैसे बनाएंगे? ठीक है? यहाँ बनाते हैं. 1 side is given. Suppose A, B, any measurement. Suppose 4 cm. Angle is given. Suppose 60 degree and 40 degree. मान लेते हैं. Whatever given in the question, you make an angle of 60 degree. Protractor यहाँ रखेंगे आप. अब ये एंगल यहाँ बना तो यहाँ रखेंगे 0, 10, 20, 30, 60. ये इसको हटा लीजिए. And now you draw. This will be 60 degree. Now 40 degree. Now here you place the protector, and now you measure from here. This will be 40. Suppose you remove the protector and join these 2 points. So these 2 points will joining. The line will cut at any point. Suppose C. ABC is the triangle. यदि आपसे पूछें कि what will be the value of angle C, तो आप बता सकते हैं yes. तीनों एंगल का sum 180, and therefore these 2 sum 100, so this will be 80. This is the method to draw a triangle if 1 side and 2 angles are given. Now you see the last method. 2 sides and included angle. Suppose 2 sides 6 cm and 5 cm, or angle between them is about 70 degree. तो इसके लिए क्या करेंगे? You draw any 6 cm or 5 cm. Suppose 6 cm. और ये एंगल जो है इंक्लूडेड एंगल, यानी इधर में बना रहे हैं तो इसके बीच में जो एंगल है 70 डिग्री. You put your protector, you measure angle, this will be 70 degree. And this side is 6 cm, so this will be 5 cm. You measure with the scale, this will be 5, suppose. You take the point C and you join. So this will be 70 degree, this is 5 cm. So these are the construction of this practical geometry. So I repeat whatever we must have learned. How will you draw a parallel line to a given line? मैंने कहा था, this is suppose a line is given, and you make here or here a acute angle. And जितना भी distance है, जहाँ से भी point आपको यदि निकालना है parallel line, तो इस एंगल के इक्वल यहाँ से खींचते हैं, ये like this, यहाँ से खींचेंगे इस तरह से, और इसको नाप लेंगे. अब यहाँ से नाप के पास ये एंगल ये एंगल दोनों इक्वल पैरेलल. तो इस तरह से इसको हम सॉल्व करते हैं. So you will use your geometrical box and you will try to construct this triangle, and then we will see later on. So that's all for today, triangle construction, and we will